Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tim back again. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys 5 sites that you can actually make money from online as a Nigerian student or a working class. So these are sites that you can actually work on as a side hustle while still maintaining your full-time hustle or whatever you're doing. So you can actually do this as a student like me. I'm a student, and these are things that I can actually do on my laptop right from the comfort of my home, stay in my room and do whatever I want to do. So you can actually do this from anywhere you are, as long as you have your internet connection and then your gadget. So the only money you're going to be spending is the money for your internet connection, which is data. And also you can do this from anywhere you are in the world. So with that being said, please, if you're new to this channel, consider liking this video and please subscribe to this channel. Let's hit 5,000 subscribers before the year runs out. And in case you have any question that you want to ask me, my WhatsApp number is always going to be down there in the comment section and also in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's quickly start this video. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is starting a blog or a site. Now, before you start a blog or a site, you need to think about a problem that you want to provide solution for. So if you don't have any solution for any problem, I don't think there is any need starting a blog, because you're actually going to run out of ideas and probably quit the blog. Now, you have to settle down, think about what you can actually talk about over time without running out of ideas. I think that is the best way to actually figure out the best niche to go into. Now, in case you don't know what blog or website is, blog is actually like starting a platform where you get to publish content for a user to consume. Now I'm going to show you guys a site that actually gives you a free platform to actually do this without spending any money at all, apart from the internet connection. And I've done a video showing you guys how to do this step by step from scratch to the point where you get to start making money for yourself. So the name is blogger.com. So blogger.com is a blogging platform built on Python and also owned by Google. So the only requirement on this platform is actually your Gmail, and you can just use it to log in, or if you don't have a Gmail, you can create a new one and then create a blog and start writing from now, right? Now, in case you're wondering, how are you going to be making money from that blog? Well, the good news is that there is something like Google Adsense. If you've been following this channel for a very long time, you know that I've been talking about Google Adsense over time, and I've shown you guys how I've been able to make thousands and thousands of dollars using Google Adsense, which is very, very, very simple to learn. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to www.blogger.com and then create an account, start writing or start talking about a particular niche. Now, like I said, I have a video talking about all of this and I'm going to recommend it. It's going to pop up right here. So just go through it, know how to start up a blog on a particular niche, dominate the niche, apply for AdSense, get your approval and start making money right from the comfort of your home. Now, the second one I'm going to be talking about is starting a YouTube channel. So starting a YouTube channel can be simple as well. All you need is your Gmail and then your phone with a good camera, or even if you don't have a good camera, you can use your laptop as well. Like me, most of my videos are just screen recording, showing you guys how to do one thing or the other. I also have other channels that I actually work on without showing my face. So by so doing, you don't need a camera to actually video yourself just like I'm doing right now. So all you have to do is to go to all those free footage websites that you can actually get some clips of celebrities or anything that you want to talk about. There are tons and tons of free footage online that you can actually combine and then do a voiceover on anything that you want to talk about, and then just make it like 5 to 10 minutes and then you're up with a video. So that's actually how to do it without having to show your face on your channel. Or better still, if you have a good camera, you can record yourself and then talk about a particular thing that you know that you can talk about it without running out of ideas over and over and over again. So create a channel for free just by using your Gmail. I've also done a video about that, and also I'm going to recommend it right here. So go through the video and see how you can actually create a channel for yourself. And if you give this video a like, I'm going to create a full video how you can actually do YouTube automation without having to show your face, just some footage, and then you make the money count for yourself. Now, in case you're wondering how you can actually make money from YouTube, YouTube pays its users using AdSense. Now, recently they created a platform, or rather they created another AdSense called YouTube AdSense. So for your Google AdSense, that is for the site or blog that you're owning. Then the YouTube AdSense is basically for your YouTube. Now, you have to meet a certain requirement before you get paid on YouTube, which is one, getting 1,000 subscribers, which can be really, really difficult. So I need to tell you that it's not actually as easy as it might seem. You have to get your first 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. This can be really difficult. I faced the same challenge when I started, but I was able to hit it by being consistent. Before you can succeed in both blogging and also YouTube, you need to be very, very consistent so that you hit your targets faster. Now, there are ways that you can actually make this thing easier for yourself. That is the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. Sincerely, this is the only channel that I grew organically by waiting and working tirelessly to grow my 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours. Then other of my channels, I actually buy 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So there are ways you can actually get this thing done faster instead of waiting to work and work and work before you hit the target. So you can buy your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and get your channel monetized within 1 week or 2. So in case you don't know how to do that, my number is always going to be down there. Just hit me up on WhatsApp. Let's talk about that. So the next point I want to talk about is becoming a freelancer. Now, in case you don't know what freelancing is actually about rendering a service to people that need the service urgently and then getting paid for that. Now, there are a whole bunch of platforms that actually provide this opportunity for you to make money using freelancing. Now, but before that, you actually need a skill to get started. Now, this is not really for everybody. If you don't have any digital skill, then I don't think you can be able to do this. But the good news is that as little as the digital skill that you have is, you can actually render it to people, because there are tons of people online looking for other guys that can actually render that service to them, and then they offer a very, very good amount for that. Now, there are whole tons of platforms, like I said. One is Fiverr, the second one is freelancer.com, then Upwork, and a whole bunch of other ones. But the most popular one that I know of is Fiverr. So when I started my online hustle, I started with Fiverr. I was really, really working out myself to get my first order. I had to do some black hat and all to get my first order. But after some time, I gave up on that and started other things because I wasn't really having enough skill then to render to people. So that was the reason why I wasn't getting enough order. Okay, so but as time went on, I started doing other things and the money started coming. So trust me, with a good skill, you can actually make your first dollar online for free. All you need is the skill. Just create an account on Fiverr. Then there are a whole bunch of videos online talking about how you can actually grow your gigs to start ranking on Fiverr in order to start getting more orders. Now, there is also a black hat attached to that, which I'm going to do a video about that, how to make your gigs rank faster. I'm going to do a video about that. So for me to do that, please consider giving me a like, so I'll be able to do that. So the next one on my list is actually working on micro job sites. So in case if you don't know what micro job sites is, micro job sites are sites that you can actually render a very, very small amount of job, if there's anything like that, and they're going to be paid a very, very little amount. But the good news is that there are a whole bunch of works, like there are a whole bunch of work that you can actually do on these micro job sites, and then as you do them, you're going to be receiving money. And just imagine like being paid 0.1 cent per job, and then you're able to do like 100 jobs in a day, because there are very, very little jobs that you can do between 1 to 2 minutes, and then you get paid. Now, that is how it actually works. And the main one I'm going to be talking about in this video is Pico Worker. So I know a whole bunch of people actually know about it. Now, just know that this video is not for you to make $1,000 per day, $100 per day. These are actually like for beginners. So in case you've not made your first dollar online, so these platforms will actually help you to make your first dollar, then save up to build a better platform or create something better for yourself. So with Pico Worker, you can actually earn your first $1 to $10 to $100 over time, depending on how ready you are to work on Pico Worker. Now, example of works you can be getting on Pico Worker is this. Somebody can actually drop a work offer for you to create about 100 Gmails or 100 Yahoo mails for him or her, and then you can actually create that and then get paid as low as 0.1, 0.009, depending on how much the person is ready to offer. So there are a whole bunch of work you can actually do, and then you get paid directly into your bank account. So for the fifth one, you can actually drop in the comment section any site you know that actually pays you without having to put in your money. So make sure that the site is actually not scammy, and then you can go ahead and drop it in the comment section. And with that being said, please, if you're new to this channel, consider liking this video and please consider subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.